My name is Arun Kumar and I am the driver, and you're watching Driven Diary episode 116. And I pulled up my list of videos here so I could check what episode number we are on. There's no secret magic behind the curtain here. We do it live, and that's really the point of the Driven Diary. Is this channel and these videos exist to document what it's like building a business. And what business am I building? I'm building Driven Auto Care, which is going to be a billion-dollar automotive service brand. We currently have 3 locations in the San Francisco Bay Area after starting the business 2 years ago, and we will continue to grow in size, self-funded, until we reach a billion-dollar valuation, at which point I believe we will have made a dent in the perception of the automotive service industry, which I'm very excited to do and think really needs to happen. Now, this week's video is short. It is Thanksgiving, and I'm basically running a shop for 3 days, and then I get out of town, and that's it for the whole video. So it's short. It is to the point, talking about what happened in a short week, talking about the staffing that's coming up, and, of course, as usual, some of what's going on with my personal car collection. So, with all that said, let's get to the video. I meant that way. I meant that way. Let's get to the video. It is Sunday afternoon, and I have an interesting thing to show the people. All right, we just got to Driven Auto Care of Campbell, where, as you can see, we are closed on Sundays. Now, somehow, a package was delivered to our front door today. Today, that got delivered. There is a lock on the door. There's barbed wire up there. So, I don't know how that got there. But okay, thanks for delivering it, I guess. I was looking for that part. Monday evening. We're in the Passat. First time we've been in the Passat in a while. It has a massively cracked windshield for some reason. I don't know how that happened, somewhere just while it was parked here in Campbell, so that's cool. But I'm taking it home because I dropped off the E46 back at Mako so they can finish up the work on it there. It's the first time that I ever put someone on blast on social media, the Mako, because they were behaving poorly, I felt. As far as a shop to shop relationship, they were behaving quite unprofessionally. Tagged them on social media and said, check yourself, and they did. They checked themselves. So the power of social media, I guess. So that happened, and we had a good day in the Campbell shop today. This is, Thanksgiving week, so it's a short week, but a lot of people coming up on road trips. We got people approving a lot of work. The San Ramon shop started the week with 1 car in the shop, and they finished today with 5, so that's a win. The Fremont shop started with 3, they finished with 8, and 5 or 6 grand of approvals. I sold 2,300 in brake jobs and brought in 5 customers that are all needing to get addressed tomorrow, so that's gonna be interesting. The van that won't leave still won't leave. The AC compressor is leaking, the brand new one we just put in. And I was supposed to get that brake job out today, but the hardware for the caliper mounting brackets were unavailable locally. Couldn't get that out today. A lot didn't leave that should have left, but got my Passat back, got some fender liners in it, oil change. It's doing good. So that's what I got for today. I'm gonna go shoot a whole bunch of social media content for We Are Driven right now that will help us get more organic traffic coming through the Instagram, TikTok, YouTube pages. So I'm excited for that. That's all for now. There never has been, and you're not fooling anybody. In reality, if you're going around telling people that you just started making money and it's online and nobody can tell what your company does, or you sold your company and you're not... Yeah, that other video was me. Yeah. Check me out. Yeah. I actually sold. We got our Chipotle, we got our real fuel, we got our real shooter. The real shooter right there. And demonetized. Not that we were ever monetized. Okay, we just finished shooting the footage for our new social media strategy. Pretty cool backdrop here too. Oh, looks good. It's pretty late. That's all for now. It's getting busy here in Campbell. Let me show you what we got out here. Okay, AC issue. They take that to Tahoe. They want the defrost to work, and it doesn't work if the AC doesn't work. This is a check engine light for improper air-fuel mixture. This is in for regular maintenance. This is a loaner car that's reserved going out tomorrow. This is my technician's project that has been here since I took over the business. This is the car I drove in today, and it will be left here overnight because I gotta take a automatic car home that is wife friendly, also known as a 300,000 mile, not dollar, Lexus RX 300 loaner car. This is here for brakes, which you can see are nearly done. We're just waiting on caliper bracket mounting bolts for the rear that are one-time use, trying to keep our customers safe, make sure her brakes don't fall off. This van, still here. AC compressor currently missing because we installed a brand new one and it was bad out of the box. So we got another brand new one. It is going back in. What else? It's a little messy in here because we got one technician and I keep him plenty busy all day long. This has unfortunately been here longer than it should have been. The wiper motor went out on this Mercedes, and the parts for an E350 sedan are different than the coupe. They're very hard to come by, unfortunately. So I had to order one off eBay, and given it's coming up on Black Friday, that was difficult to obtain in an expedient manner, unfortunately. I've been busy hands-on a little bit today as well. I actually replaced a brake light bulb in my E36, and I put the RX back together because it had been taken apart a long time ago to diagnose why one of the rear door locks wasn't working. And I was able to put it all back together, put the third brake light system back together in the back here. I even worked with the DMV to figure out why we're missing our 2026 tag that we paid for. So that's coming in the mail now. We've spent a ton of money on this car. It still is breaking and needs things. So we've really deprioritized it as a loaner car. I don't really want to give it out. It's currently missing a rear door panel that I didn't actually put back on. I just cleaned it up back here. And what else? Driver's seat's all torn up, you know. But hey, all-wheel drive, brand new tires, climate control, heat works. So good enough for me to take home today when I feel I'm feeling like a basic, automatic, safe, all-wheel drive daily. I don't want an M3 right this second. So that's what's going on here in Campbell today. Staying plenty busy. Tuesday morning. Also very foggy today. Very foggy today. You see all that? See all that? Let's see what UPS has for me today. Wednesday afternoon, and I'm here in the Fremont shop. It's been a very, very, very busy day. I got here at 6, filmed We Are Driven marketing content with Hamilton, started running the Fremont shop. Hectic morning with vendors turned into a meeting with one of our technicians who we are going to promote to a manager of this Fremont shop. He accepted, very excited for that transition to start occurring. We need to hire his replacement here in Fremont, which is exciting. I'm recruiting for technicians as a result of that and getting bombarded by emails, which is always fun. Then I ran the Fremont shop some more customer interactions. The Campbell shop, meanwhile, just has my one technician there doing everything, and he's actually equipped to do everything. He's good at checking customers in and out and handling all that stuff, and then I'm doing the estimates and selling the work and updating him on it. So that's how we're doing that. I then had a meeting for the first kickoff meeting for the Dream Car Accelerator program with a client, which was very exciting. He left feeling like he had a lot more direction and clarity on what is going on in his life and where he needs to take it and the next car he's striving for, which is very exciting. 991.2 GT3. Hell yeah. So I'm excited for him for that. Then we're running the Fremont shop, just customer interaction after customer interaction. We've got the front taken off an Audi. I'll show you that here in a second. It's a hectic day to end a very short week, and this will probably be the last I record for this week. We'll see. I'll keep it open-ended. Maybe the outro will be the next clip, or maybe not. Stay tuned and stay driven. Guess how much these 4 small O-rings for an Audi cost? Are you freaking serious? I gotta pay for this nice building somehow. Look at that. Look at that. That's insane. These are tiny little rubber things. $170? What? This is how we're ending Wednesday, by the way. That's it for Driven Diary episode 116. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And since you did, there's a special prize for you, a list of requests from me. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment so that, we get some engagement, and leave a like so we show up higher in the YouTube algorithm. I think that's all I got. So until next week, I hope you can go out and continue to build your own automotive dreams. Tired, guys. And stay driven.